This is the daily routine of the Subic Bay Fire and Rescue Team. They are ready anytime an emergency strikes. SBMA Fire Chief Rani Magno says they can respond to national and international calamities within a day. He says training the right people is key.
The discipline. First and foremost, you have the discipline and the passion. You could not really mobilize in less than 24 hours.
Last October, the team was awarded the top urban search and rescue team for the second time by the country's top National Disaster Management Recognition Program. They've been deployed to Japan for the Fukushima nuclear leak and to the Visayas for Super Typhoon Haiyan. Members of the SBMA Fire Rescue Team regularly train here in the Boton Station 4 Center to enhance their skills in disaster response. Complete with different risk simulations, this facility has been used to train disaster response teams from various local government units, the military, and other international groups. Aside from regular trainings, the SBMA Rescue Team follow the Incident Command System, a tool that helps in managing on-scene all-hazard disasters and incidents.
So it is flexible and modular. It can expand, it can shrink. It depends on the kind of emergency. That's the only way that we can really manage, no matter how complex the incident is, like in Tacloban, Leyte, and Samar.
SBMA Deputy Fire Chief Gerardo Johnson says it's not just systems that matter, but also funding.
Adapt tayo ng adapt ng training, but we don't have any financial support. Walang mangyayari sa atin.
Magno and Johnson both believe mitigation is still the best approach to disasters.
Climate change is business ng bawat isa. Sabihin natin, we are fully trained, we have the manpower or equipment. Kung wala namang participation yung mga tao, so mahihirapan tayo.
David Lozada, Rappler, Subic.